They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in the heart of Dumbo, on one of the most photographed blocks in the world, discreetly tucked away, is a hidden gem, a loft so stunning that it rivals its location. I am so excited to market this with you. The kind of loft that you think is reserved only for moving pictures. The type of loft you see in those movies with great New York City lofts.
Let's put these things out.
A loft with a great room that has an expanse of nearly 60 feet. A loft with room for multiple seating areas. A loft that's flooded with light through 4 exposures and 3 skylights. A loft with a modern chef's kitchen, Henry-built custom cabinets, and top-of-the-line appliances. A loft with 4 windowed bedrooms, custom-built closets throughout, and soaring ceiling heights that graduate from 11 to 15 feet. The primary bedroom has 2 exposures and ceilings that reach beyond 15 feet. A spa-like primary bathroom, a second full bath, and a powder room. I can't believe there's even a laundry room.
Will you grab the bags?
Massive storage space.
I think we're ready!
Sometimes real life is even better than the movies, or even your best post on Instagram. Some things need to be experienced in person.
We look forward to seeing you here in person.